All right, here it is. Let me close the door. Here it is, Saturday. I guess it's the 14th, September 14th. Overnight low again. It was pretty warm. It was about 76. It's probably about 84 out right now, 85. You can see, I just started. So we're a cold start. It's getting hot in this car, so we're going to turn this air on. One click. Take a second for that compressor to kick in. There, you can hear the clutch kicking and you can watch the tach. There. I usually give it a 30 seconds to kind of start up, loosen up a little bit. Okay, let's go. Okay, show you down the street. 19's down there, so we're headed down towards 19. Feels like it should shift. Not yet. Boy, I don't like tacking it this high. Still didn't shift. Still didn't shift. Still didn't shift. Still didn't shift. I just now shifted and I'm at the end of the road. I mean, geez, that was a good 200-300 yards. Let me turn around here. I want to continue this test. I'm going to do a dead stop right here at the end of my road, and I'm going to go back after we finally did that stop. After we finally got it to shift, now we're going to go and accelerate. That feels good. And drive back. But nice normal shift. There's another one. Just that first one in the morning. Okay. This isn't the direction I want to go, so I'm going to hang a U-turn right here. This is going to be tight, but that's what I like about this truck. It can make tight turns. Okay, now we'll stop. And we'll try another acceleration. Okay. Look, there's a shift. After that first shift, shift's good. I gotta block the sun here so you can see. We're coming up the top. Alright, and that concludes this test. The next test I'll do tomorrow morning, Sunday, I'll warm the car up for 10 minutes so it's up to operating temperature, and then we'll see how that affects things. Talk to you then.